National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tippecanoe County until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Lafayette, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lafayette, West Lafayette, and Shadeland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tippecanoe, Indiana.